Hey everyone, this is a Hunter Bridgeport ceiling fan. This fan is from 2011. I think it's from like the 15th week. Wait, I think that's the tag right there. Yep, 15th week of 2011. I have this in my room. I'm about to take it down because I got a lot of stuff in the fan meet. But I wanted to see how this works. It looks pretty cool in here. And this is actually a pretty decent performer. And there's low. Go to medium. This is one of the Hunters after 2010 that still has a 5 UF, 5 UF, 5 UF capacitor. So this fan is really good. So it has good speed still. Has like an axle high speed. And then like an axle medium and normal low. It goes very fast on high. And it blows a great amount of air. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.